dudes. Good morning. In case you haven't figured it out, getting my engine in my garage today for the 240. Big piece of the puzzle. Thanks for joining back in with the vlog. Alright, let's go get us a motor. Battery's gonna die on the camera. Try to do this fast. Drop it. Don't drop it. You gotta be really smooth on this part. There's a little bit of a transition in the driveway here. I do not want that engine falling off. Oh shit. I know you can't see it on the camera, but that was some serious lean. Alright, so we got the motor in the shop for the 240. Time to work on some fitting this motor in that car. So the motor's in the shop, on the floor, ready to be worked on. It's going to be quite the task because number one, it's got to be cleaned up because it's been sitting in storage who knows how long. It's dirty, it's nasty, it's gnarly. Number two, I'm going to take all this, most of the stuff off this. I'm going to leave the intake on it, just cause. But I got to take off the fuel rails, the power steering, the alternator bracket, the alternator, all that kind of stuff, because there's not really anything on this motor. Plus I gotta ditch this mechanical fan and all the crap that's on there. So that'll keep me busy for quite a while. Unfortunately right now I've got to go out to a dentist appointment, so I'm not gonna be able to do any of that. But maybe when I come back tonight, this afternoon, I can get on it. Clean up that other motor, transfer everything over from the motor back there, get it in that car over there. I'll be right back. And I'm back. So it looks like I'm gonna have to. What are you barking at? So I just brought that other motor into the garage, and it looks like I'm gonna have to clean a little bit of space in that garage that already has way too much junk in it. Cause we just got our very own tire machine. Yeah. So it needs to be cleaned. It needs to probably be reworked and maybe a little bit rebuilt. But there's a tire machine and a balancer. We got it from an auction pretty cheap, and I got back from the dentist and the trailer was sitting here with that on it. So delivery complete, bonus. There's some other tools in there, but we'll probably go through that as we clean it all up, see what's what. I'll probably sell or scrap a lot of it, but hey, for somebody that's trying to be a drifter, having a tire machine and balancer, what an awesome bonus. So let's go back in the garage, move some motors around. So I cleared out a bit of room. I don't know if this stuff is gonna fit. I'm gonna have to go outside and measure it and then figure out exactly how we're gonna get that off the trailer and into the garage and hopefully in that corner. And hopefully these machines work. Time will tell. Right, dudes, time to start taking that apart, see what's in there and see what we can do with it. So I'll go get the tractor, filming this on the phone because I don't want to be lugging around a big camera with the stand and all that stuff and, you know, potentially get the lens dirty, yada yada. I don't know why I'm saying this. Check out this ugly dude. Whoa. big son of a bitch. That's the tire machine. Apparently it's missing parts. Get it home, get it cleaned, check it out. I hope we have all the parts. Oh yeah. So, got it all dropped off in front of the garage. Now I just gotta clean it up. Gonna go get the trusty pressure washer and try to make these things as nice as we can before we put them in the shop and figure out what's wrong with them. It's my new balancer, 20-ton press, and the tire machine. This stuff is gonna come in more than handy. All right, I'm soaking wet, I'm covered in sweat and overspray and dirt and grime and grease and oil, but these things are pretty clean, cleaner than when they came in. Ooh, shiny. Anyway, that's done. That's probably gonna be it for today. I'm gonna maybe try to stick this stuff inside real quick and then work on it another day. Alright guys, the stuff is clean and it's back in the garage. Now I just gotta play around with it and see if it works. But we'll be back with you soon. Hopefully we'll do some work on actual cars instead of just cleaning stuff. Peace out, stay happy, see you soon.